welcome to Wrexham Volkswagen. Today I'm going to show you around this approved used Polo. This is the 1.2 litre SEL finished in red. Looks absolutely fantastic. At the front you've got the LED headlights, so they really illuminate the road and they look absolutely amazing as well. You've also got the upgraded 17-inch Mirabeau alloy wheels and they look really sporty. It's in a really lovely condition, covered just under 30,000 miles from new, so it is fairly low mileage for a car of this age. As I bring you around to the back, you can see it's 5 doors, so it's perfect for passengers hopping in and out of the rear. I'll open up the boot and I'll show you inside there. So there is a good sized boot. It is a smaller car, but there is plenty of room in there, so you shouldn't struggle for space too much. And I'll bring you around to the side and I'll show you inside the rear. So as you can see, it's got the really nice black cloth and it's in a really lovely condition as well. And there is a good space in there too, so it's perfect if you've got smaller children or just your friends that you'll be driving around. There's another look at those alloys, really sporty. So I'll get in and start it up and I'll show you the inside. So inside you've got your touchscreen display. You can connect your phone, it's got Bluetooth preparation as well. You've also got a DAB radio. And then you've got your volume and on and off. Underneath you've got all your heating and your air conditioning. And then you've also got aux in, USB and 12 volt charger. It is manual, this car. Onto your steering wheel. It is a multi-function steering wheel. And here's your instrument cluster. So this car's got the light and sight packs. You've got auto lights. You've also got the rain sensor wipers. And you've got the electric folding door mirrors as well. So just a little bit of extra security. And you've got front and rear parking sensors too. So it's perfect for getting in and out of those tight spaces. A really cool feature this car's got is the electric sunroof. So to open, you just twist all the way around and it'll fully open. So it's really quick and it lets loads of light flood into the car, so it'd be lovely on a really sunny day. And then to close, just twist. You've also got your manual sun blind as well, just for when it's a little bit too sunny, just to take the edge off. Here's a closer look at the seats. As you can see, it's a really nice pattern in the cloth. And they're in a really lovely condition as well. So I really hope you like the car. If you're interested or have any questions, please just give us a call. Thank you.